Padre, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 with our second generation EV setup, built to our client's exact specification. El Padre is painted in full gloss Land Rover Byron blue with black accents. El Padre sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This fully electric Defender 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper, E.C.D custom black steering guard and 2 LED round work lights at the rear. Inside, El Padre features an NRG Innovations wooden steering wheel with E.C.D electric gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett distressed nutmeg and Torino caviar leather, stitched together in brown. El Padre is powered by our fully electric direct drive motor, our second generation EV setup. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout.